Here we go.
Whoa!
Turn it up.
Yeah.
Say it again.
Turn it up!
Step back, step back.
Can you hear it rocking? It's a party jumping on the floor. From the way it sounded, no doubt that the West Coast is in your mouth.
Yeah, it's so crazy. Petty cash never fades. Give me a shot of yak and purple haze me. I'm a hustler, getting cash like crazy. Ronnie pays me, forget that you never leave. Black hooker.
What?
The speakers are pumping!
Why I flip them all off and keep doing my thing? I'm a boss about it when I Inglewood swing. Rocked out from my ear down to my pinky ring. That game, let the bell ring. And if it's drama you want, then it's drama.
Everybody can see it!
Oh, that looks crazy, huh?
Now you're gonna create a party!
It's just small potatoes, no names, cause this addressed to all the haters. From the hood, there is none greater. Like the headline and y'all as spectators. For life, I put the wood in it, and I for you when your own hood didn't. And plus you forgot who was paying your bills. Introduced you to the game and gave you a deal. For me, good, y'all independently.
Alright.
Y'all ain't worth a feather in my wing, and all this hate just let me know I'm doing my thing. All day, all night.
Get on the other side.
Did you hear I say you got it, dude? I went out Full House. This little girl, Michelle, when they say to do something, guess what she says? You got it, dude.
That was pretty loud, huh?
Duh. You're gonna create a party. Dang.
Alright, let's turn off the neon.
Of course, it's just gonna wait. Post it on Facebook. Guys, people, get Starburst.
Bye-bye, people. Time to get on the freeway.